Hey, what is up guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will be working up with the theme, and this is the most amazing part because you guys are gonna love this. Okay, so what are them and how are they used for? If I just go to dashboard and then I just go to appearance and then the themes, then you can see that WordPress comes with three default themes that are already installed: 2017, 2015, and 2016. So these are the themes that are already installed with WordPress. I can just go ahead, I can activate any other theme. So let's suppose that I want to activate this 2016 theme. Okay, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit activate. And on just activating, you can see that I will be having the different look for my website. You can see that my website is totally changed. Okay, we have this right here. Okay, and then I just come here and I have this about us page, and this is my about us. I have the blog page with these, I have the contact us page and everything, but this is totally changed. The sidebar is constantly coming here. Okay, and there might be different functions for the customize as well. Like you can see, we have different things for customize instead of this. So every theme comes with different customization. I just wanted to tell you this. Now let's just go ahead and let's just have a look at the most popular themes that we have here. So you can see that there are so many themes that you can add and work with it. So let's suppose that this is the theme, or this is the theme. Okay, if I just want to add it, or if I want to work with this one, this is the theme. I can just go ahead, I can install this, and on just installing, I will just hit activate, and this theme will be activated as well. And in my all theme section, you can see this theme is coming. Okay, so now you can see how it is looking. I just come here and I just view my website, and let's have a look at this. So you can see it says this, the home page is this, okay, which is already here, and the content area is coming here. Okay, so this is all the content area, and then we have this coming, and the slider is already coming here, but we haven't edited. Okay, so how we're gonna customize it, how we're gonna do that? For that, we have to read the documentation, or we can just go ahead and we can go to customize, and in the customize section we can manage it. Okay, you can see that we have different things, and we also have the documentation. For that, we can learn that how this theme works. Okay, it's gonna tell us everything, that we have the page layout and everything. But let's just go ahead and let's quickly edit it. If I want to edit this, okay, I want to go to theme options, and here you can see the theme options is right here. I want to go to the home page, and in the home page featured, I have this. Okay, so I can just manage it right here. Let's suppose that I want to switch it on. Okay, and then I want to add the area. So it's gonna be like angle double left. So it's gonna be like double left angle here, and then here I can add the title. So that is going to be like hello, hello. Okay, hello world. Okay, and this will appear here. So this is how it works. Seriously guys, promise promise by God, I have just installed this theme right now. I didn't know about this theme. Okay, and now I am editing this theme just by installing this. So this is the experience that you get, guys. Okay, so I'll just tell you about this experience. I'm just gonna go through with all of the themes. I'm gonna tell you about different type of themes. I'm gonna tell you how to work with this theme, how to work with that theme, and then how to edit that theme. And then when you will understand it, you will then be able to edit any theme. You just go ahead, you just hit add new, and then you can understand that. Okay, so now you know everything about WordPress. Okay, but you have to work on the projects, and then you will be a WordPress expert, not by just understanding WordPress. So then we go to the popular tab. You can see that we have so many themes. Okay, we have this, and everything. Let's just go ahead and let's quickly just work with this theme. Okay, if I just go ahead and I just hit install, okay, and then I go ahead and I just hit activate, then you can see this theme will be activated. So I can pretty well manage with different themes. I can work with like how different theme work and how this work. So you can see these themes are added, but this theme is activated. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna view my website. I'm gonna see how does it look. Okay, you can see this is how it is looking. It says this change in customizer. We have about us, blog, contact us, and we go down, and this is how it is looking. We have get in touch, and we have these right here. So this is how the theme works. But I wanted to just explain you how theme works, okay? Not how to edit any theme. We will understand it because there is no tutorial that will teach you like how to edit any theme, okay? This is from the experience that you will get by the projects that you will do, okay? So in the upcoming videos when we will be doing the projects, then you will understand it much better. So let's just go ahead and quickly learn about the plugins. So for that, I want to go ahead and I want to switch back to my themes, and then I want to switch back to the 2017 so that we can work with the plugins. So now you can see that we are totally done with the themes. In the next video, I'll show you how can you work with a plugin and what are the plugins and why are they so much important. Goodbye.